I like that noise. It made me feel all warm and fuzzy inside.
You're going on a cringe compilation.
I am? I'm going in a cringe compilation.
Who?
Who?
Excuse me, who are you?
Who? Who?
Yay.
I like this map. I'm okay with this map. You know, this map is,
Dude, I can get so cringy you don't even know. You want the cringe?
Do you want a
want
badge?
the
No, I
cringe?
don't.
Do you want a medal? What do you...
Do you want the cringe, senpai?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Kavira
What?
time!
Alright, we all know we have to ban Warden.
Yep, I agree. Actually, no, I'd like
You
Warden.
won't do it.
Yeah.
You wouldn't
What?
do it, Silas.
Yeah, you're right.
You
Main's Warden.
like Warden.
What are you talking about? I main Warden. I don't just like him. I main him.
I'm just not gonna say anything to
Okay.
that.
On Amazon, I'm gonna buy this 50 pack of rechargeable battery.
You're a damn
How-
hero.
How much is that?
$70.
Seven? That's it? That's
It
not-
70
doesn't even give you a charger.
I just want the pure supply of batteries.
You can make bank off that. Just like you start your own app. If any Xbox player runs out of batteries, just they call you like, "Hey man, I need some batteries, please. I'm desperate. I'm in the middle of a ranked."
Just be like, hey man.
Ah, they're upstairs in kitchen.
Hey, so I'll give you.
No, but
I'll give you $50
batteries.
for some.
They're in kitchen, but they don't have any women.
What?
I'm
No.
reporting.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm reporting.
Okay.
Oh, what?
No women?
You're lying.
It's
Okay,
impossible.
buddy.
Every time.
What-
Glasses between the
What
head.
transpired there?
I was gonna shoot the window
No.
and you.
Of course the woman shot me.
No, you don't understand. This happens every single time.
Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see, Buck.
I see a Mozzie walking up to the window.
Great.
Peeking window.
Yeah, woo, get him, Sophia, get him.
Okay, I destroyed.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh my.
Where am I being spotted? Get rid of the camera. I got the camera. It's okay. Nice. What an
His
ace.
career
I'm
has
breaching.
been good.
He's right
Oh.
there.
Ah!
I'm bad.
Where is he? Ping him.
He's
ping him.
right. He's across.
dead.
I'm
I'm
dead.
sorry.
No, it's okay. He's across. He's.
I'm
I don't-
dead.
Why'd you
I find-
breach? I was in the middle of trying to tell you where he was.
Your mom's house?
Huh?
Well, yeah, but
Dun, dun,
da, da,
dun,
da,
dun,
da,
dun,
da,
dun.
da. Shoot the
She's gonna
frost
walk
mat.
in that frost
Through some
trap.
mat. Yeah, she's gonna walk in the frost mat. Oh, incredible job! Look at the aim! Oh my goodness!
They gotta be garage.
Garage?
What's a garage?
Garage.
Garage.
They're not
The
garage.
garage. You lied to us, Phoenix. They're clearly
I
autistic.
just spent like half a minute scrolling through
Just
all
leave
the
'em
drones to
autistic.
get
Nah,
back to
they're
my
bots.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
Is
they're
there
bots.
a whole different tier from bots to autistic that I was unaware of?
drone. Hey, the rhinoceros face, the autistic
What?
one.
I was
he's
gonna shoot that
downstairs.
camera. You stole my. This window's open and I don't appreciate it.
I love that window's open. It
Oh, yeah,
makes
it's
me
open. It's
very
Okay, we don't need to know about your fetishes, not at this moment. Just let it
open
be
windows on
you.
snowy modern houses.
Oh, that was almost a disaster. There is no one up there. to
Hashtag
my
relatable.
knowledge. I am droning it out.
What the?
Except it's true because
Oh,
I
hello,
almost killed me
Mozzie.
and my mom on birth, which is
Skylink.
I can't put an explosive down on this virgin
Oh,
thing. I
why?
don't have a left bumper.
Little baby's crying.
I'm
This
pinging.
guy, please
pinging.
end. Please end the orb.
She's rushing. Yeah, okay.
True,
There's
camera right there.
Mozzie.
Orcs
Mozzie's
is dead.
chilling right here. Mozzie moved into.
Yeah, Mozzie's
Overgen.
tag is really hard.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot
Ah!
this. Okay, that's bad. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, I'm dead.
One friendly operator
Probably
remaining.
should have reloaded. Nice Twitch.
Always.
Wow.
User has been
Okay, you're good.
all friendlies have been eliminated.
I don't have
No,
a
if
bumper.
you would
so
have
I can turn
headshotted them.
It feels
with
so
your
weird pressing a
shroud
trigger
aim.
and then it's like stop.
I would love to enter the building actually this game. That would be so cool.
Dude, enter. Don't set your
I
dreams
can't
too
even
high,
enter
man.
the building.
Honestly, in this
Warning
game,
you.
I feel like that's like more of like a actual like. Sorry, I had to like. Oh! People's game sense is so high that entering the building is impossible. You know, they're upstairs. I believe they're in
So,
library.
Silas, I can tell you what happened. So he took control of your drone. Okay, and then
No.
he put it. He shrunk it down and then
Oh.
put it upside your butthole.
Man, this their basement for sure. Today
All
is
right,
a good day,
I
boys.
can do this. I can do this. I can enter the building. I believe.
Okay, we gotta focus on spawn peaks because they will make them. Ow! 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 Who shot me?
It would be
Who
nice
shot
if
me?
we had an actual kind of hard breacher.
I'm a hard breacher. I'm a hard breacher at Spirit.
I mean, Maverick's like.
Buck,
He's kind of a hard breacher. He's not like.
yeah, he's getting there. He's almost there.
Located.
Right, he's, like,
Yeah.
he's like one of the ones you buy at IKEA, and your mom tells you is
Dang
like,
it.
you know, the real one, except it's a heck of a lot cheaper.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry.
Right.
What?
It's like, okay, sorry. It's like when, you know, when you want to see like thermite, for example, in the store, but your mom tells you you already have a hard breacher at home.
Oh, it's like trying to get McDonald's, but there's food at home.
Exactly. It's just a long, complicated process. Oh, there's a rook through that door. Or window. Sorry, I'm dyslexic.
Got him.
Good job,
I
Ash. You
have
got
a
her.
drone. I thought I didn't have any, but I do. There's a maestro cam to the right, and it's a chunka. I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Alright, alright. Oh. Oh, he's down.
Nice.
Oh,
From
what?
where?
He's hiding
From
behind the
where?
barrels.
Friendly operator remaining.
It's a pixel peek. Barrels to the hard left. He spooked you.
How do you control that recoil so well?
Oh
Ooh.
my
Op
god.
4 eliminated all friendlies.
Why are we going here? This is rough.
That's all I gotta say.
What?
What?
What? Say it again?
What?
Say what you said again. You said you had to say something? Huh?
So that's all I gotta say.
What did you
think.
say though?
I don't know anymore.
I can't put down my barbed fire.
Located a bomb. Ready for assault.
Wow.
He's got a point.
Oh my.
Op 4 has
Hey,
located a
man.
bomb. Get ready
Yo,
to
I see a
engage.
drone. I just killed.
I won't. PTSD. Okay,
What
there's
is that? Deep.
Yeah, sorry.
Post-traumatic
Vietnam.
Down syndrome.
Yes.
That's PTDS.
That's
Oh.
no.
Well, I'm dyslexic, so it translates to PTSD.
Yeah, let's just leave
Pull,
that, I
do
guess.
something.
I saw one somewhere. They're
Wow.
downstairs. They're coming in from.
That's pretty
trophy room.
descriptive.
Good job, Pulse.
Nice job, Pulse.
Yo,
I got
thanks,
the
man.
the egg.
They're
Oh, not
droning.
the egg.
Dude, I know egg lady's freaking terrifying.
Oh god.
Oh, come on. We both have the same gun,
Oh god.
but she somehow got me first, even though we both shot.
Yeah, woo, Alex. Woo.
Carrying the team. Let's go.
Again. They're gonna plant.
Yes. But will they accomplish the plan?
Alex, they're gonna plant.
She can't hear you.
Yelled it.
Nice. All right. Good job, Alex. I don't think he's there anymore. Nice. Well done.
Mission failed. All friendlies have been neutralized.
Useless. Devin, I thought you were good at this game.